Okay, I got it. So it's very simple, but yeah, let me show you. So you get the cage, as you can see. So you get your Action 6. Where is the Action 6? So you slide the Action 6 inside. Now you close the cage. Now you take the grip, which this is pretty cool. Inside of the grip, I don't know if you can see, there is a tool which is pretty cool. So inside there's a magnetic, so you can put the tool inside. This is so nice. So we need this tool. So you have to line all the, see the screws underneath. So this needs to line like this. And now with the tool, you just turn like this. This is so cool. And as you can see, everything is tightened pretty well. And now you can store the tool inside back. It's magnetic, so you're not gonna lose it. Look at that. That's a proper grip with the Action 6. I don't know if you can see, this is so cool. Now we have to put the shutter button. So this is very important. So this is very easy. So you need to slide this into cold shoe. Slide like this. And yeah, let's turn the camera on. Also, something very cool as well, you can still check the battery, but we need to remove the cold shoe. So here on the side, if you press this down, you can still change the battery, so you still have access to the battery, which is nice. But the cold shoe needs to be off. So let's put back the cold shoe. Yeah, pretty nice. My microphone is off. Yeah, this is gonna be crazy review today. Okay, so as you can see, this is pretty nice. So now it's working, so let's turn the camera on. Wow, this looks like a proper DSLR camera. Obviously this is not like a DSLR, but yeah, let's go to photos and let's try the button. Yeah, it's more easy to press right now, so it's much a better grip. So yeah, perfect. This is very nice. So I like it. This thing looks like a proper DSLR now. With the ND filter, it's gonna look amazing. And the last but not least, let's open the last product, which is a storage bag, which is pretty nice. So let's open it. I wish it was orange, but yeah, it's black, but it's fine. Yeah, that's proper storage bag for your Action 6. And we can put accessories here. So yeah, nice. You can put your Action 6, you can put ND filters, you can put batteries, you can put some cables here underneath. Pretty good quality as well. So there we have it, guys. So excited for today's product. So we have, I think the main show is this Action grip for the Action 6. Looks very nice. I like it a lot. With the orange storage bag, we have this RGB light, which looks like an old film, which is very nice. What else? We have ND filters. Where is the ND filters? We have ND filters, which they're very nice. Super excited, guys. So if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, subscribe, and once again, Telesin, thank you for sending these all products for review. I'll make separate videos for all the products, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, guys, leave a comment. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.